Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to add a page border on Google Docs. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for docs.google.com. After that, sign into your account and you will be sent to the home page. Here, all of your recent documents will be present, so either open one from here or just create a new blank one. Now, this type of interface will be displayed on your screen. In order to add a page border, go to the Insert tab at the top and a menu will open up. Inside it, go to the Drawing feature and then select New. Now, a new pop-up menu will appear on your screen. Here, navigate to the Shapes icon at the top and then select the rectangle shape. After that, draw a decent-sized rectangle and also change the fill color to your liking. I'm going to make it transparent, then change the color of stroke and set the thickness to 2 points. Once you are done, click on the Save and Close button at top right corner and the rectangle will be placed on the document. Now, make sure to select this under the Text feature and then change this property to Fixed Position. After that, move and resize the border around the page and you are good to go. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.